The new extravagance conservative hybrid picks up a lower cost, race-wheel drive sections show this year and will likewise fill in as the hopping-off point for a charged hybrid duo in the near future. The new X3 polishes the look from the more established variant with more extensive emissions, wheels pushed nearer to the corners, and a lower look. In contrast to its X4 partner, the X3 has tall glass that makes it look one of a kind among conservative hybrids' plunging roof lines, however pays profits in outward vision. The news for 2019 is that the X3 is accessible with back-wheel drive, which shaves $2,000 of the primary concern for bright state customers. We haven't yet determined those adaptations, yet we can't envision that it'll ruin our effectively nice sentiments for the X3's powertrain lineup. The new X3 is generally indistinguishable size from the old X3, something worth being thankful for. The moderately little extravagance SUV is agreeable for 4 grown-ups with a lot of payload room, and the game seats we've tried are great as well.